It's actually evening right now. I'm in Miami, and this is a very interesting day after all the events in Cuba. I hope things go well over there. But this is the least altruistic MTP that we will have. This is for me, and it's not it's not for you. Yes, it is for you guys. But this is definitely going to save me a ton of time. And I've been referring to my patients and to people that are asking to MTP number 21. But this MTP is all about what you do with your implant after you have it to increase your length, increase your girth, increase your happiness with the penile implant. This is the exercise, the capital THE exercise. All right, now, yes, I publish with my good friend Gabriele Antonini about using a vacuum device after surgery. But what I'm going to tell you now is what every patient that's had an implant should do, at least for the first year, once they get their penile implant, in order to maximize their pleasure and their size when it comes to having a penile implant. Now, it just so happens that most of the time I'm using a Titan implant, which is a polymer, which will increase in both length and girth symmetrically, because that's the nature of this carbon polymer, the polyurethane. And really, let's learn how to take advantage of it. All right, so how do we take advantage of it? And I got yelled at by my daughters because on, I think, at MTP number 21, I had this penis right in the middle of my chest. Now, this penis, okay, imagine that our cylinders, and here are our cylinders, are inside the penis. So I'm going to show you with the cylinders first. The whole concept is your tissues have had a chance, because you had erectile dysfunction, to fibrose or scar down. So now what are we going to do? We're going to push the limits of this 29 pounds per square inch of pressure cylinders to push on your own tissues, and how to do that safely. So how do you do that? You're going to have to pump that implant all the way up, all the way up. Then you hold the base, and then you hold it near the end of the penis, and then you're going to bend it right, left, up, down, right, left, up, down. And most importantly, you reach down and you try to give it a couple more pumps. Now, you might get a pump, you might not. If you do get a pump, you're getting 2.5 cubic centimeters of what? Length and girth. Let's look at it again here with the cylinders. Grab the base of your penis, grab the tip, bend it right, left, up, down, right, left, up, down. Give it a couple more pumps, and then put it right down. You don't have to leave it up. It's a very simple procedure. Let me show you. I'm sorry, Dylan and Zoe. But you hold it by the base, you bend it right, left, up, down, fully inflated, right, left, up, down, fully inflated. Reach down, boom, boom. Give it a couple more pumps. When you get more pumps, you get more length and girth. Everybody's happy. Now, without me being too graphic, what is the best exercise in the world? Sex. Because when your partner is bending it right, left, up, down, right, left, up, down, every once in a while you can give it another pump, even during sex. So my advice is use the ladder exercise. When you're not using the ladder exercise, use the ones I just showed you. This is the definitive treatment after surgery to really maximize your implant. Hope you enjoyed it. I did. Sorry, Dylan and Zoe.